Roofing companies showing up unannounced and offering free inspections can feel super sketchy, but it happens a lot, especially when they're in the neighborhood working nearby. So, here's the lowdown on handling these surprise roof inspections. First, always check how long your roof's been up. If your roof was installed recently, like in the past 10 years, chances are it doesn't need a full redo. Next, don't rush into deals, especially if someone offers a big discount for signing right then and there. Take your time, talk to people you trust. It's smart to get a second opinion from a licensed roofing contractor who you find yourself, not just the one knocking on your door. Pay attention to real signs of damage, curling or missing shingles, water stains in the attic, but keep in mind those stains might be old, or any sagging spots. Also, ask neighbors if they've had work done and who they trust, since good local contractors usually have a solid reputation around town. Look up reviews online, but don't rely on just one source. Try multiple sites and check how the company handles complaints. Lastly, don't ever feel pressured to make a decision on the spot. Legit pros know you need time to think and get other quotes. One of the biggest common mistakes when dealing with roof inspections is trusting door-to-door sales pitches without verifying credentials. Always ask for licensing and insurance info and check it. Another mistake is ignoring water stains or minor damage because you think it's no big deal. This can lead to bigger problems later, so get those checked by a pro you trust. Third, falling for limited time offers that push you to sign immediately usually means you're being rushed into a costly job that might not be necessary. Don't be afraid to say no or walk away and get other opinions before committing. Fix these by doing your own research, asking questions, and never feeling rushed into decisions about your home's roof. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners like you find trusted local contractors who won't try to pull one over on you, making it easier to get honest quotes from pros. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, BigHomeProjects.com connects you with real customers who need your skills. Everyone wins.